Good morning, dear students. I have already started with lesson number 9, that is surfing the net. We have covered till uploading and downloading. Now, today let us understand the concept of cloud. You might have heard this word, but it was related to the rainfall. Here, the cloud word is referred to the internet. Something can be stored to the cloud. What does it mean? Cloud, we store to cloud. The things are stored to the cloud. See, when you send an email or you receive an email, you can open any computer. Like it's not like that your personal PC, if you open, then only you will receive the mail. You can come to the computer lab or you can go to your friend's house. Whatever the contents of Gmail, the same things will be shown to you wherever you go. That means already the things are stored to the cloud. All emails are stored on servers, not on our computer. So, cloud is nothing but internet server. When something is on the cloud, it means it is stored to the internet servers. Sometimes no you now you nowadays you are getting the PDFs. So what you need to do is, no, instead of saving it to the downloads because the space is getting occupied, instead of that you just right click on that and just save it to drive. Google Drive. That means wherever you go, just you need to put your email ID. You need to open an email ID and go to the drive. Your files will be shown to you. Whatever till now you have saved to the Google Drive, it will be shown to you in the Google Drive. Cloud based applications, or see here, this kind of symbol is there, Google Drive. Whatever you store here, that will be shown on any PC. It's not like that key, it will shown to your mobile only. Many things we store in Google Drive. Cloud based applications or web applications run in the cloud and do not need to be installed on our computers. See, many of the times we just www.facebook.com we open in the browser. No need to install it or something like that. Just directly, apps are also there nowadays, but directly, even if you type out the word Facebook, all your things will be there. Like whatever you have uploaded the photo, you have got the photos and any friend request, everything will be shown to you. That means the things are already stored on the cloud. Sometimes what happens, no, nowadays, suppose teacher, now we are checking the papers, online papers are there, then submissions and all. So what I do is, we have created one sheet, Excel sheet, suppose we have created, we share it to the other teacher, so that the other teacher will fill the marks. That means sharing means what? File sharing. If the file is shared in the same Excel sheet, the changes can be made. If it is related to the computer, I will fill the marks. Other teacher, if it is column related to the Marathi teacher will fill the marks. The same sheet will be there, only one sheet will be there, and the teacher will be making the changes in the same sheet, and the changes will be saved automatically because it is shared via the Google Drive. So that means the cloud makes it easy to share files with several people at the same time. Even if you share any document has been prepared and you want the changes, you want to show it to all your friends. So if anything is there, the other friend will make changes if the document is shared. Google Docs facilities are also there, Google Sheets, Google Docs. So these are the facilities related to the cloud. So this is regarding the cloud. Now, file backup. Everybody is aware, in our mobile also you get this word backup. Every day's backup, or every 3 hours backup, every 6 hours, every 1 day, like that backup. An important benefit of cloud storage is the backup of data on the cloud. If the hard disk of your computer crashes or what happens, it will automatically, you will get all the deleted files back. That means we call it as recover our files from the cloud storage. Even if the mobile gets changed, you can, everything can be recovered, like backup recovery option comes, and then once you click on that, everything, all photographs after 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, all photographs will be shown to you. That means because it is stored to the cloud. Now online media. Now I will send this video via the YouTube. That means nothing but online media. Online media can be described as the media, digital media, which includes photos, video, music available on the internet. You can watch millions of videos on www.youtube.com. Online, if you want to hear radio, online radios.in in India. In USA, there is a pandora.com. Then other services like Hotstar is there, Netflix, Amazon Prime. These are the services which allow us to watch movies and TV shows. These are YouTube provides a service which is free of cost. Even if you can create your own video, and that can be uploaded to the YouTube very easily. Many of the things are done in the lockdown period. Many cooking, then cooking videos are uploaded. Housewives have done that. Then shopping things are there. Then many small children's videos are also uploaded. Many things, many of the people have used YouTube this time. Web applications like Netflix and Amazon Prime offer entertainment at very low cost in the premises of our home. Even if you are doing the recharge, that time also we get the message Netflix is this thing. 1 year Netflix is free if you recharge of like this. Then Hotstar is free. So that means everybody has taken the advantage of this in the lockdown period. Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, everything, YouTube. There is a huge range of movies to the selected from. We can watch our desired movie show from our any device with an internet connection anytime, anywhere. Every 60 seconds, 72 hours of YouTube video is uploaded. See here? So this is regarding the online media. Online media, everybody is aware. Navigation. You all are aware about the word navigation, right? We use to navigate, to travel to new places which we don't know at all. Only the address is known to you. So we use GPS, Global Positioning System, to find routes and the traffic on the roads. Using smartphones also, there is a Google Maps facilities there, Apple Maps, Nokia's here maps. So just you need to put the address, everything will be shown to you, like a speed, whatever speed, direction, then how much time it will take, everything will be shown to you, and all the directions also, all routes and all. Just you need to, even if there is a voice also, just move, take a right turn, take left turn, on that only you can just you have to move, you will be, definitely you will reach to the destination. And there are the pictures also given, like a vehicle or train, whatever, like walking, accordingly the route will be given to you. What the things you need to find out exact location and provide the smallest route to our destination, alert us about traffic jams and offer us alternate routes, inform us about places like restaurants, petrol pumps, emergency, landmark our current location like home, office, etc., so that it can help us return back safely after our travel. Even if something happens, like if you just forget it out, somebody has just dropped you and you wanted to return back, you just need to, on the GPS you need to know where to reach, you just need to know the destination place, and then you will get the thing from the GPS and you will reach it safely. So what are the, so this is regarding the navigation. We often use in Pune, we often use this Google Maps. Buzzwords. Internet is a worldwide global system of interconnected computer networks. A server is a large computer where websites are stored. Web browser. It's a software application used to locate, retrieve, display content on the World Wide Web. Web browser. Which web browsers are there? Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Apple Safari, and these are there. URL. A URL is mainly used to point a web page, a component of web page or program on a website. URL means it's nothing but the address of a website. HTML, it is the set of codes used to display text, images, videos, etc. on a World Wide Web. Hyperlink, it is an icon, graphic or text in a document that links to another web page on the internet. Downloading, receiving data from the internet, and uploading means sending data to somewhere in the internet. Cloud storage refers to data stored on the internet. Online media, it is the digital media which includes photos, videos and music available on the internet. So all fill in the blanks will be dictated in the Zoom session, and I will send the PDF of that also. Okay, so write down all the question answers in the notebook. So be ready, the school might will start. Everything should be completed, all lessons should be completed in the notebook. Okay, thank you students.